This is the wide world of fishing with Phil here. We're in a beautiful place called Playa de los Tortugas. They've got an estuary back here, beautiful beaches out there. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff with our grandkids and having fun. So stay tuned. We're going to have fun in the estuary.
Day. This is going to be fun. Little sand crabs. These things get you. They got a little point and spike on each side. So if you're walking through the sand sometimes, these guys will really spike you. Put that in the bucket too. From behind. Atta boy. Perfect.
Good job, Grandpa.
What a day. This is going to be fun. We're going to catch shrimp tonight. We're going to go down to the river mouth there. We're going to use the net. We're going to catch some live bait. Plus, I've got some nice big poppers and lures that just may entice some very good dinner tonight. I have a mission. Nicole told me I have to catch dinner. I don't know if we will, but I'm going to give it every shot I can. How about you, Adam? We going to catch dinner? All right. Sand crabs. Look up and down the beach, all the little obscure areas are just loaded with sand crabs. It's amazing. Filtering the sand. Once the sand comes back up, all the sand crabs will show up. It's kind of like mining for gold. And it is gold on the beach to be able to catch your own live bait. Isn't that right, Adam? Did you do that with anyone else? No, I didn't think so.
Oh, okay. So that's what they are.
Hey, don't go away. I have one.
On the hook, we're going to put them about 3 feet, 2 feet up above the sinker. We're going to tie a little leader about 2 feet long. Then we cast out and we let it just wash along the surf here. You put these things down on the bottom, they're going to dig into the sand. You're not going to catch anything. So the secret is to keep them up out of the sand with the sinker on the bottom. So you just hold the line and let it just drift across the area. Next thing you know, wham! We're cutting these up into pieces so that we can catch shrimp tonight. We've got a nice estuary. They're usually full of shrimp. And we'd sure like to get some. Pepper clams are?
No.
Delicious. They're little tiny clams. It looks like this place is loaded with them. I'd really like to get a shovel, Petri, and see what kind of clams these are. I think they're pepper clams, man. They'd be good for dinner.
Well,
oh,
you know how
God,
to get here now. So.
Yeah, because they're pushing water. See this here? See that water? It's pushing out of those holes. So that means it's a clam of some sort filtering the water in and out because they're a filter feeder.
They can see what
These are really good for bait too.
See? Mojarra?
Yeah, it's a little perch.
Okay.
It's got some nice little markings on it, little flat mouth. See there, Mado? It's a little mojarra.
¿Las mojadas?
Huh?
Wow.
See fins?
Está muerto porque se murió.
Yeah, well, let's put him down.
There he goes!